Thanks for joining us and again on another box break here at Examine Baseball on YouTube. This time it's 2019 Topps Finest Baseball with the legendary Mariano Rivera on the front. Very appropriate that it is Old Timers Day weekend here in New York City, and Rivera is going to be making his first appearance at Old Timers Day. We're about to get into this box. There's two chrome autograph cards per master box, and you see here, if we let this go a little bit, there's two mini boxes in here. While you're checking us out, click the subscribe button below if you aren't already, or give us a follow on Twitter or Instagram at Examine Baseball. If you want to check us out on the web, it is baseballhappenings.net, and on Facebook, From the Stretch. So we're going to get into the first pack right about now. There are 6 packs per box. We got Carlos Correa, Albert Pujols. We got a Topps Finest insert of prize performers, Corey Kluber, Juan Soto, and again, Corey Kluber. Pack number 2 of the first master box. We got Chris Shaw, rookie. Justice Sheffield, rookie. Ryan O'Hearn, rookie. We got a Yusei Kikuchi, Finest First insert. And we got a Billy Hamilton. Let us know what you think about 2019 Topps Finest Baseball by leaving a comment in the section below. Jacob deGrom, Rhys Hoskins, a Blue Chips insert of Aaron Judge, Gleyber Torres, and a rookie card of Jake Bowers. We are halfway through the box. Pack 4, Blake Snell, American League Cy Young, Nick Castellanos. We got a rookie autograph here of Chris Shaw. Just saw his rookie card before. Ryan Baruchi. And a slugger, Matt Olson. Pack 5, we got Lucas Giolito, Steven Dugar. We got an Aaron Nola blue here to 150. Javi Baez. And Robbie Cano. 6th and final pack in the first master box. Remember, there's 2 master boxes, so we got another 6 packs after us. Thanks again for joining us on this journey. We got a really nice rookie here of Fernando Tatis Jr., Trey Mancini. We have a Blue Chips of Matt Olson we just saw in the last pack, Michael Franco, and we got Scooter Gennett. So that's our first box. We got Chris Shaw autograph, and now we're going to get into box number 2 here. Again, thanks for checking us out, Examine Baseball YouTube channel. And check us on the web, baseballhappenings.net, as well as on Twitter and Instagram, again, at Examine Baseball. Pack 1 of the second master box. Paul Goldschmidt, Matt Chapman. We have an Anthony Rizzo prize performers. Also, if you notice in our first box, this was the first insert. Max Kepler, and Marlins Brian Anderson. Pack number 2, Second master box. We went fishing. We got Mike Trout, Kobe Allard, rookie, Tuki Toussaint, Buster Posey, and Clayton Kershaw. So now if you're looking at like, oh, there's no insert here, we go through the backs here. Looks like the Toussaint here is a refractor. We've got Braves Kyle Wright, rookie. Mets Noah Syndergaard. We got the finest blue chips, Andrew Benintendi. Christian Yelich, National League MVP. And it is showtime, Shohei Ohtani. So we got in this pack here, we get Joey Gallo, Xander Bogaerts. Uh-oh, what is this? What is this? Bring this one nice and close. We got Ronald Acuña Jr., Finest Origins, auto, number 23 of 50. What a great hit. We're just going to let this one hang out here for a little bit. Danny Jansen, rookie. Luis Urias, rookie. Two more packs to go here. Tim Anderson. A nice rookie card of Pete Alonso is absolutely tearing up the National League. We got Ozzie Albies. Refractor. There's two refractors in this box. Chance Adams, rookie. And we got a Ramon Laureano, rookie. Our final pack of 2019 Topps Finest. We would love, again, if you leave in the comments what you enjoyed most about 2019 Topps Finest, and if you give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. And again, giving us a follow on social media always helps. At Examine Baseball, Facebook, at Examine Baseball, Twitter and Instagram from the stretch on Facebook, and on the web, baseballhappenings.net. We got Yadi Molina, Alex Bregman. We got a blue chips of Willie Adames, Josh Hader, and David Peralta. So we're going to bring those two autographs back at you. So our first autograph was Chris Shaw of the Giants. And then our second, the really big hit, Ronald Acuña Jr., the Atlanta Braves, number 23 to 50. If we get a look on the box here, we might just get the odds somewhere of what this was here. 1 to 779. So a really tough pull here. Sorry I kept you waiting, but it was a good wait. We'd love, again, you give us a follow, subscribe here on YouTube at Examine Baseball. You join us for more box breaks, baseball interviews, book reviews, all that in 2019 and beyond. Again, give us a shout in the comments below, and tell a friend to check us out. Until next time, peace.